Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you where to find royalty-free music for your videos. First of all, let's go to YouTube Studios. On your left-hand side, you can click on Audio Library. Videos may be made profitable by adding audios from the audio library, and this library has such a big library of choices. Free music is everywhere in audio library on YouTube. And to help you find the songs that match with your requirements, there are several filters that you can use. First of all, if you already know the name of the song that you're searching for, just type in the name. For example, Canaan in D, and the result will show up. Otherwise, you can limit your search by clicking on genre. This is the YouTube library top level classification. You can either choose classical or jazz and blues, and then click apply. And the mood filter allows you to focus on the specific mood or vibe that you want your videos to be. So you can choose either pride or happy and then click apply. And another useful filter is the duration. So if your videos are longer than 5 minutes, then it's better to choose a song that's also is 5 minutes long. So you can type in here 5 minutes and then apply. And these are all of the results that audio library from YouTube Studio has limited for you. Last but not least, there are two license type. The first one is the Creative Commons attribution. So if you want to download these songs and use the songs, you must include information in your video descriptions. But if the song has the symbol like this, then you don't have to copy it into your description. And the last step, you only need to download the song, and then the song would be available for you to use. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and don't forget to click subscribe for others videos in the future. Thank you for watching.